Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I picked up from various places, the Jadeite stuff that I picked up. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you in my kitchen because I don't want to take them out. So I'm really loving this color. You're going to see, I'm going to show you the things I got. There's mostly from Target I got them. All right, so I'm putting black and white and then pops of like the Jadeite. All right, I'm gonna show you right now what I picked up from Target. All right, this one is from Hearth and Hand. I just love it. It's tiny, it's not the big one. They have a bigger one that's white. But I picked this, I just love it. I can put my strawberries and wash them. And when I do leave it out, it looks pretty. It doesn't really look messy. So I'm buying a lot of things that are pretty that are left out, so it just makes everything look nice even when you have a mess, I guess. So yeah, for my strawberries or just for decor. This one's very pretty, and this is like the Jadeite color that I'm going with. You know, the things I'm going to show you right now are not real Jadeite, you know, it's imitation. So I never found real Jadeite even when I go to you know, the antique stores, so I never came across of anything that caught my eye that I like. So I'm going to show you these. These are just like replicas or just fake, I guess. All right, so, but they're good. They're good quality and they're so pretty. All right, so I picked up this. Then I picked this from Hearth and Hand, this is a kitchen towel, which I thought looks very pretty with the green. So that's kind of like the green. And this one is so huge. This is the kitchen towel, okay? And I just love it. And it has a little hook that you can hang and just dry your hands on. All right, or dry your kitchen dishes. But, all right, so that's kind of like my theme in my kitchen going on right now. So, and then I picked up these I picked up from Threshold. You know, they're food storage. That's why I said I'm having a lot of pretty things like, you know, when you have them out, so they can look pretty. So they have a very good seal. This is from Threshold. And then this one too. This one's a bit lighter. So these are very, very pretty to leave out or put in your refrigerator. So I love them. So I think that's it. Now I gotta turn my camera around and show you guys the other little pieces that I have. Oh no, wait. All right. And then I picked up these cups from the Target dollar spot. So this is kind of the color that I'm going with, and they're like those plastic cups, but this is hard plastic. It's reusable for the summer for my kids, and we're still, you know, doing our theme, I thought. You know, even though it's for the kids, but we're keeping the theme going, and I bought, I think, 8 of them. They're really, really strong. I don't think you can put them in the dishwasher. That's a bummer, but we just rinse them. You know, my kids only use them. So, yeah, they're like the party cups, the red cups. So I found these at Target dollar spot. I think they were like, I don't even know, $3 for 4. I don't know. But anyway, you see everything looks pretty because it's all like green, you know. All right, and then I found this bowl at, I don't know, I didn't show this to you, did I, guys? I don't even remember, but this is Opal House. I just love, you know, the wood, and then inside is hand painted, and, you know, and it goes very pretty with the Jadeite. It's like a little darker green, but then it has the light Jadeite in there. So I thought this was pretty to leave out, you know, for decor. All right, now I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to show you, I think, 3 little sections where I got the Jadeite up yet, but these are Jadeite on the top, and they're like that glass, and then it's the hobnail, which I'm just loving both hobnail and the Jadeite. So I got these from Amazon, and I thought they were really cute, and you know, just to give that green that I'm looking for, the Jadeite. So these are pretty. These are from Amazon. And then I got these 2 cake stands. These are from World Market. So I love these. These are really, really cute. And yeah, just to make a statement on my counter to pull those greens in. Right here, these are from Hearth and Hand. I got the 3 sizes that were available. So I think that's looking really pretty. And I just love that green. Okay, and then I bought this cute little clock. I just love it. That's from World Market. And it's a magnet. I just put it on my refrigerator, but that's the color, which I love. And I love the look of this. I'm just showing all my Jadeite things that I had purchased, which I didn't show you guys. Over here, I changed where I put the vases. I put in the middle of the table. I just want to show you guys. It looks really cute over here. Let me know down below if you like this green color, if you like Jadeite. Let me know which one was your favorite. And I will see you in my next video. And oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Keeping Up with Miss Electra. And I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye.